Hi, welcome to Pro Detail. Today we'll be touching up a Baleno which was coated a year back. The process involves decontamination of all exterior parts, application of a touch-up coat which increases the gloss and the hydrophobicity of the car. Here we are applying the touch-up liquid on the surface of the car. This will increase the gloss and the hydrophobicity as I mentioned earlier. Meanwhile, we have also done a thorough interior cleaning of the car, which was followed by a 4-step sanitization process. This is a part of the touch-up service that we offer with our ceramic coating package. As you can see, the gloss of the car is still intact and the shine is as good as a new car even after 1.5 years of the coating. This is a result of the extensive process that we deployed. It's an 8-step process of ceramic coating.